Latish presentation.
Good morning to everyone. My name is LATHISH. I am studying 6th standard. I will talk about the difference between Windows 7 and Windows 10. Information. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a major release of the Windows NT operating system developed by Microsoft. It was released to manufacturing on July 22nd, 2009 and became generally available on October 22nd, 2009. It is the successor to Windows Vista, released nearly 3 years earlier. Windows 10. Windows 10 is a major release of the Windows NT operating system developed by Microsoft. It is the successor to Windows 8.1, which was released nearly 2 years earlier, and itself was released to manufacturing on July 15, 2015, and widely released for the general public on July 29, 2015. Information about Windows 7. Pros Windows 7. Windows 7 Windows Defender was proved to be the best in giving the protection to the system. It has a fast backup and shutdown. Windows 7 update the feature for all the software and the components. Cons of Windows 7. Windows 7 needs RAM capacity of at least 1 GB. It cannot be easily upgraded from Windows XP. It has the drawbacks in upgrading the operating system in an easy manner. Many applications have failed to run in Windows 7 and they are asking for online support. Some of the users are not satisfied with the new features because they need to buy out the additional resources such as RAM to make use of them. Information about Windows 10. Pros of Windows 10. When you run Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows Phone 8.1, you can apply the Windows 10 Windows 10 technical preview was recently launched by Microsoft. There are many new features added to the new operating system. Windows 10 will have 2 browsers. It will ship with both Internet Explorer 11 and Sub 10, the new uncluded browser that Microsoft is developing apparently to replace IE. Cons of Windows 10. Windows 10 cannot upgrade oldest Windows versions such as Windows 2000, Windows 2001, etc. There is no cost was for new PCs with Windows 10. There is no upgrade in Windows Media. It is the same as it was earlier. Touch-free features have been removed from Windows 10. You can no longer close apps by skipping them down from top of bottom. Many table users are going to face some difficulties in case of the touch control of the operating system. Compare of Windows 7 laptops. Windows 7 has better battery life than desktop. Resumes from hibernation sooner and given the lower performance of laptops often benefits from the better performance of Windows 7 on such hardware. If you need to sequence out every minute of battery life for every point of performance, that then needs upgrade time 26 October 2009. Compare of Windows 10. Compare updating you company's software to Windows 10 is a great business decision. Windows 10 is now the default operating system and futurely updates are not likely to include past versions of the software. Best OS. My performance for low configuration and simple usage Windows 7. Why? Pros. Require low network, need low configuration, good administration tools. Cons: many softwares and apps are not allowed to use in the. Still, it's good for simple works. Good OC. My preference for complication was Windows 10. Pros: supported almost all apps and softwares. Good UI. Cons: required high confident, take network, etc. I just this for coding.